Noses. Noses have become increasingly popular in the last year and a half, I find. And the reason is because it's a wonderful way to temporarily improve the aesthetic of the nose without having any surgery. Surgical rhinoplasty is, of course, the gold standard to help improve the aesthetic appearance of the nose. However, many people don't have the time for downtime or are able to pay for the costs of having a rhinoplasty. And so a non-surgical rhinoplasty is an excellent way to temporarily improve the profile and visuals of the nose. The benefits of a hyaluronic acid injection is that it can last anywhere from 12 to 18 months with minimal, if any, downtime. So what does this entail? It's a series of injections that I do, generally with a cannula, through the tip of the nose to help either improve the profile of the nose to create a more straight nose when someone has a dorsal hump, for instance, or to help refine the tip of the nose by slightly reshaping the nose itself. This is a very aesthetically pleasing treatment and very rewarding because the results are pretty much instant, and people who suffer from having an unattractive nose to themselves really feel much better once they've had this treatment done. Again, like all dermal fillers, there are risks associated with such treatment. If you've had a previous rhinoplasty before, those risks are amplified because of potential scarring and irregularities in the normal anatomy of the nose. So it's very important when treating a nose to go to someone who knows exactly what they are doing, no pun intended. So I find it very rewarding. It can also help lift the nose slightly, so individuals with a slightly downward nose can have a more prominent and uplifted nose. So as I said, there are complications, the most common of which is potential bruising or swelling. In patients who have had previous rhinoplasties, because of the scarring and potential changes in the anatomy, there is an increased risk of having a vascular problem and therefore having tissue necrosis. So extremely important to go to a very skilled and trained hyaluronic acid injector.